Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Hostinger domain to Hostinger hosting in 2023. Basically, you will have to change just the account of your domain from Hostinger to another Hostinger account. Of course, Hostinger, first of all, is a comprehensive platform that offers both domain registration and hosting services. So in this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get started with that. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll have to go and log in into your Hostinger account. To do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, go to this URL section and simply type hostinger.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure, if you don't know much about this website, to scroll down first of all, read more information about it. As you can even see here the pricing with the features. You can pause the video and read all the features down by your own. And of course, as I said, you can scroll down to read more information about it, what people saying about it in Trustpilot, which is trusted if you know it, of course. And so just familiarize yourself with the website before you create an account. And of course, if you have an account, make sure to go and click on login here at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on this claim deal or choose one of those options to create an account. For me, I'll just go and click on login. And as you can see, I'll have the option to log in with my Google, Facebook, or even GitHub if I don't want to get through all the boring steps of logging in into my account. As I said before, if you don't have an account, you'll have to click on choose the hosting plan. You'll have to choose one of those plans so you can get started. Now, I'll just log in into my account with Google because as I said, it's fast and easier. So that will get me right away into the dashboard of my Hostinger. Once or in your Hostinger dashboard, make sure to navigate to the domain sections. You'll find it here at the top. As you can see, make sure to click this, and this is where you will manage all your registered domains. As you can see, for me at the moment, I have no domains. So for you, make sure to simply locate the domain that you want to connect. Find the domain that you want to connect on your Hostinger and click on it to access its settings. Of course, if you want to get a domain, you can always go and click and enter your desired domain name or even generate domain using like AI. So I'll just type here, I need a domain for an, I don't know, for a chat application, and click on generate and let's see what it's going to generate for us. As you can see, so they give you like a decent amount of domain that you may like. You can even change it if you want to, depending on whatever you want, or you can find your own domain name. As you can see, they give you the pricing of each domain. So .com, cost this, .net, .io, .org, .online, and .shop are the cheapest. So here, what we'll need to do, of course, once we have our domains, simply as I said, locate the domain that you want to connect and access its settings. In the domain settings, of course, make sure to look for name servers. So just access the DNS settings, go to name servers, section by default, Hostinger name servers will be in use. Change them to the name servers provider by your Hostinger hosting, which is going to be the same. So basically, in this case, you don't need to change it in Hostinger because it's Hostinger from Hostinger, so you don't need to do that. Now, of course, make sure to go and click on this transfer here on this left panel. Once you click on it, as you can see, you will have two options here. So you'll have transfer domain to Hostinger, so domain transfer in the process of moving a website's address from one provider to another, or what we want here, which is move domain to another Hostinger account. This feature allows you to transfer your domain name to another Hostinger account. As you can see, transfer list, so I have no domains here. For you, you will have the domains that you have or that you pay for on your Hostinger, so you can find all the domains here that you want. So just simply you'll have to look for or locate the one that you want. Then click on move domain to another Hostinger account. As you can see, for me, they are telling me that you don't have any owned domain in this account. So here, because I cannot show you the steps correctly, I'll just open one of their articles. So as you can see, once you click on move domain to another Hostinger, as you can see here, you will have to select, as you can see from the list, and click on continue to initiate the domain move. So as you can see, move domain to another Hostinger account, click on initiate domain move. Then next, you'll have to enter the destination email and click on confirm. They will tell you, or they will give you an email address that you will have to fill, and simply fill the email address of the other Hostinger account. And as you can see, after domain move is complete, transfer lock will be enabled for 10 days. Then you can cancel, of course, the domain move before the new owner confirms it by clicking on cancel button. But if you want to confirm it, click on continue. And if you want to cancel it, you can always click on cancel before he confirms or the new owner confirm the transfer. And of course, this step 3, which is the last step, is to confirm the domain. Just go to the domains sections of the new accounts that you transferred the domain into. And of course, go to members area and click on exit. Enter the new domain contact details and click on finish registration. And they're giving you just a note here, as you can see. Once you change the domain owner details, you may receive a verification message to both the current and new email addresses, and the domain move will be performed once the email address change is verified. And after the domain move is complete, the domain will be owned and managed from the new account. If you want to go back or make the domain transfer to the old account, you'll have to do the same. Go back here, go to move domain to another domain, and simply type your old email address. And of course, you'll have to go and do all those steps again that's saying here. And basically, you will be good to go. And of course, you can even visit your domain in a web browser to confirm that is now it's pointing to Hostinger hosting, and nothing is changed and everything is working correctly and seamlessly as intended. If you have any problem doing that, you can always go and contact their support, as example, by clicking at the bottom right corner. If you have one of those questions, you can see which is the frequently asked questions, you can simply go and see this. So basically, once you click on any of those options, example this one, you will find like an AI tool that is asking you some questions, and simply you can ask whatever you want. If they cannot help you, they will transfer you to a real-time assistance where you will be able to discuss or describe your issue to the assistants, and they will help you as soon as possible. And as you can see, as they seen here, all systems operational. So all systems are operational. Low incidents were found in the past 5 days. So for future updates, you can subscribe to our status page if you are interested to do that. So if you have any issues about any of those options like transfer setup or restore sites, site is down, slow, or displaying error, domain, which is what we want here, payments and refunds, email, accounts management, SSL, and virtual private servers, you can always come here and ask for it. And that's going to be it for us today. So if you reached the point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully connected a domain from Hostinger to your host, Stinger Hosting in 2023. This integration ensures that your domain is currently linked to your Hostinger account, allowing you to publish your website. Remember that DNS changes may take some time to propagate, so be patient if your domain does not immediately work with your Hostinger. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful stories like this one, and I will see you in the next video.